Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Post receiving almost 20 Rafale fighters from France, now all eyes are on the delivery of Russia's S 400 anti aircraft missile systems. As per the defense sources, it looks like the delivery of the world's one of the most powerful missile system is as per the plan. Yes, India might get their first batch of S 400 by end of 2021 tentatively. These systems are very vital for India at this moment to tackle both Pakistan and China. According to the manufacturer of these systems, which is Almas Central Design Bureau, these systems can engage all types of aerial targets, including aircraft, unmanned aerial vehicles, and ballistic and cruise missiles. And that too, this is within the range of 400 km and an altitude of up to 30 kilometers. The Indian Air Force, which has closely studied the S 400 system for past 5 years, was very much impressed by its capabilities. Touted as world's most advanced theater air defense system, the Russian Almas Antis S-400 is capable of intercepting a wide range of airborne threats up to a range of 400 km. Compared to S-300, the S-400 has a firing rate that is 2.5 times faster. Along with the Rafale fighter aircraft, the S-400 has repeatedly been termed as a game changer by the Indian Air Force, and with S-400 equipped with the target acquisition radars and a variety of interception missiles, India can face any type of threats. Coming to the other defense update regarding Rafale fighters, after securing major contracts in Greece, Croatia, India, and Egypt, French aeronautics firm Dassault Aviation is close to inking a major deal with Switzerland for the Rafale fighter jet. Other than Rafale, there are 3 more contenders, and they are Lockheed Martin F-35, the Boeing Super Hornet, and Eurofighter Typhoon. Based on the Swiss politicians, it looks like they had campaigned against the procurement of fighters which are from the United States, like the fighters Boeing F-8 Super Hornet and Lockheed Martin F-35. And this is said to be the main reason for Switzerland going for the Rafale fighters. As per the defense sources, the deal is estimated at 6 billion Swiss francs, which is roughly $7 billion. The acquisition would be for 30 to 40 aircrafts, which are planned to be delivered by 2025 tentatively. Switzerland must quickly act to modernize their fleet and boost their abilities to control the national airspace at a time when traditional geopolitical fronts in Europe are not that friendly. Another main purpose to buy these multi-role fighter is to carry out air defensive missions. Based on the evaluation report, the head of DDPS, which is the Swiss Minister of Defense, will be presenting a recommendation for the most suitable fighter aircraft, and the final type selection will be made by the Federal Council. So we need to wait and see if Dassault Aviation is able to win this contract with Swiss. So that was a quick update on 2 defense news related to India and Switzerland. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.